Hi, my name's Justin from the CX Directory, and today I'm just going to walk you through how to claim your business for free on the CX Directory. The first step is just to find your business. Now you can just easily look for it under the category where you think you might be, or if you're not really sure, you can just type in the name of your company here and click the search directory, and it'll just show anywhere that your business is listed. Now in this instance, I've created a test company, obviously, and all you need to do is just click this button. Is this your business? Once you're on this page, we just need to get a bit of information about you so we know that you're the rightful owner for this business. So you just enter your name, the country that you're originating in or working from, and your business email address. Now in this instance, what we're really looking for is the domain name. Now the domain name is this normally the bit after your name. So in this instance, cxcentral.com.au. We just need that because that tells us if you've got that domain, we know that you're working there. Now, of course, that doesn't always apply. So you can always write some comments down here. You might even have a LinkedIn profile that also shows us that you're working at that business, or you might explain that you're an ad agency and you're working on behalf of this company, etc. All of the claims for a business are manually verified. So just make sure you give us enough information so we know that you're the rightful owner. We do ask for a password. Obviously, this is actually creating a dashboard for you, and that password will be used to access your dashboard. Not too hard, just one capital letter, one number and 6 characters. And then we ask you to verify your identity. Sometimes Google will throw up those images where you have to select the number of cars or traffic lights, etc. And then you just hit the claim listing button. Once you've done that, we will send you an email just to verify the email address that you've used to set up the account, or from the social media account that you've used. And so if I click over to there, what you'll see here is this here. Please verify your email address. So all you need to do is just verify and confirm. Just click that button. And that's it. It's nice and simple. You don't need to do anything at this point because we'll now manually review your claim. However, if you did just want to log into your dashboard, you can just put in that password. And what you'll see in your dashboard is that your listing is claimed here, and you can see the test company, and it's just pending approval. So all you need to do now is wait for the email telling you it's been approved. As soon as your listing's been approved, we'll send you an email, and this is what the email looks like here. Just tells you about the information that you're going to need to add into your listing, so you can prepare that if you'd like. And then you click on the Update Your Listing button. That will take you straight through to the login screen. Just put in the password that we provided earlier. That you provided earlier, and then it takes you straight through to the page itself. You'll see your name is already there. You just need to enter the URL of where you would like any clicks to go to. So this is typically the home page of your website, or it might be an About Us page or your solutions, etc. And then add some information about your business. Now this is important because this is the part that people will read as they're scrolling through all the listings. So you've got up to 300 characters here at this level. Of course, in other levels you might get more characters, but just make sure that you appeal to the reader. If they're in outsourcing category, for example, make sure the copy is about, are you looking for an outsourcer, or where the leading outsourcer, or we specialize in, etc. You can choose to show your physical address. If you put yes, it'll ask you for your address. It is linked to Google, so it'll just come up with any addresses there. Of course, a lot of businesses don't want to show their physical address, so that's fine to put no. Now the category here has already been selected. This is what you claimed in, but what you do need to do is select your search tags. Now search tags are really, really important because they provide more opportunities for your business to be noticed. The whole idea is, depending on the category that you're in, is to pick the areas that you specialize in. So if you've just got a couple there, you can pick the 2. Now, of course, on higher levels, again, you get more search tags. And if you want to understand the differences between all the different levels, you just have to head over to, there's a section up here, the different level examples. And we've got a little table there that will show you what everything looks like. Now the other step to do is just add your logo. Now we do recommend 300 by 300 pixels typically looks best, a square logo. Now if you've got anywhere here, I've got a test one here that I'll just drop in, and that's it. Now, at this point, you can upgrade. So if you would like to upgrade your listing, you'll get $97, which is what this listing is worth, off any other listing. So it's a one-time offer only. So make the most of it if you're going to upgrade. Otherwise, you just have to click the Save Listing, and that is done. It is all there, and it is now live on the directory. So I just did what did I do? I did a test one in our consulting category, I think it was. So literally you can go through here and there is the test company right there live. So that is the process for claiming a listing. Now, if you don't see your business listed, that's okay. You can just go to contact us, and the contact details are down the bottom. Oops, there's lots there. You can just contact us and tell us to add your business to the directory, and we'll add it in for you. If you've got any other questions at all, of course, please just get in contact. Again, our details are all over the website. Thanks for watching.